sky broke. The earth screamed. And she picked up the pieces with her bare hands. She made them from mud, breathed life with her sigh, gave them laughter, grief, wonder, and for a moment she was happy. A mother, not a goddess.
You broke it, I fix it. You warred, I bled. You fled, I stayed. My children are down there, burning. So yes, I'll burn with them.
She saved them. But the cost? Her own fall. Her own rest. Heaven called her divine. She just wanted to hold them. One last time. We still need her. Not in temples, but in labs, in protest lines, in anyone who kneels in the dirt to mend what the powerful broke. You've witnessed all 8 myths. The sky's whole again. Revisit the series. Share the whispers. The gods thank you.